Welcome back to O'Brien Adventure Outdoors. Tuesday, 5:41. With this rig, some kind of stock fence trailer or something we got pulled to Salina, Kansas. I was getting all my gear out of the truck here. But stay tuned. We're going to get on the road here in a minute. Look at all those John Deeres lined up there. Okay, here we're refueling. Yeah, this thing's called the OK Corral. I'm hauling the OK Corral here. Yeah. It's just a portable fencing that people use. Yeah. These tires, they're looking pretty good. Hopefully that'll get us there. Let's get refueled. Okay, Nate. I'm back in Kansas again. We're about an hour and something out. Okay, we like about probably an hour and a half. We stopped here at the Kansas Visitor Center. Checked my tires and all that. Go to the bathroom. But yeah, it's nice and cloudy here, especially the further we get back kind of northwest here. But stay tuned. Let's get on down the road here and get this thing dropped off and pick up another one. Stay tuned. Okay, looks like they might be getting a little rain back northeast here. Nice and cloudy here. We're about 32 minutes out from our first drop. Been doing really good back there. Teeter-totters here and there, back and forth. But stay tuned. Let's get this thing unhooked and head to the next destination. Oh, I don't know what's going on here. Got all these troopers here. We might have had a wreck or something. Oh yeah, looky there. Looky there at that. Dooley rolled his truck up on there. Okay, I'm out from under it and the client's pulling in underneath it. It's called the OK Corral by Titan West, Linn, Kansas. That's where we're headed next. Okay, let's get in the truck and punch in the next coordinates here. Oh, I gotta shut the gate back here. Whoa, there's another ram. You know, I didn't have a voice like that. Rammed his truck off it. Off in the ditch. Kinked it plumb in half. We're about an hour out from the next stop. Linn, Kansas. Up by Nebraska. Okay, found some corn. Yeah. Here it is. There's so much of it. Woo! Look at all that. Yeah. It's on that big water down there. See it way over there? Holy crud. But we're about there. I'm about 15-20 minutes out from Titan West in Linn, Kansas. Yeah, seeing all this corn, figure I'd stop and check it out. Stay tuned. What's this giant seed deal? Oh, they're beans. Yeah, look at those little bean pods on them. Okay, yeah, I didn't know what they were. Or soybean or something. Yeah, look at all these little bean pods. But yeah, that's a lot of dang, yeah, soybeans. It's by Ohide Seed Farm. It's got these little signs out by it. I don't know what those mean. Okay, rolling in here now. Titan West. Let's go see if we can find a ship in. Okay, just getting here. Titan West livestock equipment. Look, this nice pretty one here we got to pick up. Yeah, this one's a lot shinier and newer. Brand new tires. Yeah, beautiful. Let's get her hooked up. Okay, got her all hooked up. Safety chains, all the lights work. Let's head south toward the house. We'll pull down here and put our GPS in, see how far we got. Okay, we got 5 hours till we get home. Just having some lunch here, going down the road, headed south. We'll be back to the yard here later around 6 o'clock probably. Everybody have a great day, whatever you're doing. Okay, I'm on the back roads headed south and ran up on this John Deere sprayer here. Don't know how long I'm going to stay behind him. Trailer's still looking good back there. Just gotta get around this sprayer. I think we're still 4 hours and something out. Yeah, look at all these big fields out here. Big, nice green lush fields. Beans, corn. Got it all. Okay, ran up on another double wheel. Going down the road. What a mess. Coming through Wichita here at dang near 1600. Yeah. Cars everywhere. About 2 hours out, I think. 2.5. Okay. Back in Oklahoma. Be at the yard in about probably an hour and a half. We're about to gut the. Okay, made her back. Look at all this nice equipment out here. Grain everywhere. The only thing bad about pulling this stupid thing is there is not a lick of suspension on it. Look over there. Straight into square tubing. Yeah. This thing was so bouncy. Yeah, any little especially going across bridges where they have come in and run it onto each other. But no, it was sure bouncing. I was worried about popping them tires out or whatever. But now got her here. The OK Corral. If anybody needs one there at Titan West, or give us a call. We'll get you one hooked up. I gotta go get the Tundra and get everything put in it.